My people, now welcome, now well done. Now do good morning, good afternoon. Because I know say no be everybody they watch us from Nigeria. So for those of now we do Nigeria, they watch us good afternoon, good evening. In fact, good night. That PSA when I just see for screen now, na real life story. No be small thing and no be play. Corona, it did very, very real. That one way that they call COVID-19. It real, no be play. It dey take lives. It dey destroy lives. It dey wreck household and it dey wreck business. Make una take am seriously. Wash your hand. Practice social distancing. Put on your face mask. Not to go where people to gather like that. They don't announce and say even event centers or maybe really worship centers maybe say or even workplaces where we say that like 100 people, 200 people they take before. Make una try and make sure say na 50% capacity. All these things where they talk now to save on our life, save our life. May all of us feel see New Year as we go ready see December. Una welcome to Twitter Naija. We be say with the summer with all the stories where they did for blog, where they happen for Naija, where they happen for Bodo Ibo and anywhere else. As far as the story they enter Twitter, with the carry and come give. My name is Still Arewa and I welcome us. I don't welcome now before. As soon as I know the day here alone, I get two ogbonge people where still find them like fresh bread which I just bake. Shiny Tiny day here and Emma says today inside studio with us. I know say when I watch us yesterday and I enjoy them. Emma, how you doing? You don't already just the smile.
You don't make
make you the line.
Okay, I cannot talk about that.
No, talk. Wait till you the laugh. You know, if just the laugh with no reason.
No, I know. Oh yeah, wait. All right, my people, now welcome. Well, thank you. I come. I just so happy because you get the guy here news and they hear for Twitter. They follow up. And see, Twitter don't be good place. I swear.
That Twitter making the laugh already.
I swear. You can't you go read it. You said we just look and say You know, say that yesterday, after we go back, when they talk about after that whole toilet matter on top, those people. I can't go ask. To call it about toilet, they fear me. That's why I say, I go not laugh. Because I go never like, nobody say that I dey see something so
happen. You go dey picture the image you don't see for that yesterday.
Next time, they get this kind of picture, but they give us money before. I go know I go turn back like this, they look. No. Now I look myself and say, this boy, yeah, shall. Think I think they fear me.
But based on the whole corona thing with the outside, Shiny Tiny, you just the bed neck, you don't get them.
Now soon. No, now only when chicken get bird flu, you don't start.
Now you do like this. Shiny, which one you get?
This one na corona, no be bed though. I don't
even get on that time. We will just continue, do it in can do. Because if I start with now, we no go finish on today.
Me, I don't even want finish. I dey like things where they say. I know they like things where they quick ends. But as I dey talk now,
I don't understand.
I dey try talk about what we want to talk for the show now.
Yeah.
What do you think I dey talk? When I don't see man don't start today, I did my own.
Which one you dey add that? Not gonna start. You don't hear when she talk that.
What did she talk?
Hey, Oluwa.
I know I no carry here come.
You know, yeah, so if you here for house,
tell her that.
Talk if you get liver, talk
I get liver, I don't want to talk. No,
talk again.
Okay. Now my man, 1 year say 2020 don't finish.
Oh yeah, no, as she no get liver, she no greet talk again. You see that PSA we just play now before the show start proper.
Very important.
Now to show say corona real and some people never still believe am. Wetin we fit do to people make them say no say this thing na real. Other vaccine don't do. And you go see people wey go dey talk say the vaccine now if you go turn you to monkey, if you go turn you to one thing, turn you to the other. Serious o?
No,
serious.
I don't hear that kind talk. Somebody say if they go give you this thing now, if tomorrow one thing come begin do you, calm down now. The coronavirus self, you never even know whether if it knock you, it go different from the next person who is in.
Person talk say na Sir Chris, na he talk say coronavirus go turn you to monkey.
Okay.
Imagine Sir Chris wey just dey you know na person dey tell me say na Sir Chris talk.
One of our swag former senator from Kogi State. Everybody want to make good do investigation. Me know where they talk about. That one don't go do video. See me nobody take the vaccine. Say one thing.
And a senator be o.
Former senator.
Okay, former senator.
I can't behave. You me the pursue and come on.
The man take the vaccine.
He say you don't forget that time they talk about 5G. See that 5G they cause the thing. He follow among the people who talk about 5G.
I don't know where people
vaccine don't come out. Now he say nobody take the vaccine.
Like fake news. Now they help us.
I don't
if you don't take Vaseline, I say Vaseline.
I don't go surprise.
Harmattan
Now to blame it on them. Any mistake I make today, just blame it on them.
Now lie, if you make mistake, blame am. Which one be Harmattan? Harmattan they catch me and you.
No,
Why
you
say
use
no
your
leave?
mouth saying I'm matter do me just
And
now.
when you talk Vaseline, not be only do your matter with the rub
So
Vaseline.
make una just admit say I tabon. When I dey here, they do.
Who they try help you? I know tabon na mistake I make.
Okay.
What is the difference between tabon and
Yeah,
mistake?
when person tabon na when you don't know the original one.
Okay.
Mistake na you just make mistake. The thing just come outside. No be you talking.
Who divide that tabon like that for you?
Wetin concern you? Na you do pidgin English dictionary.
Wait, you know you say na him talk am, who talk am?
Na you do dictionary. You no leave me.
You be two?
No.
I be 3.
But we talk serious, shall that PSA they very at least
They very
I don't know
important.
if we actually sit down read most of those things who them talk true because that last party where I go, my brother, the next party they go invite you come, please don't go. If you just reach there, they don't count the numbers. They say they don't pass 50. I don't want take capacity. Once you don't pass 50, you know what 51 and go back to your house.
See as I dey look you.
Wait now.
If they invite you come party, make you no go. You don't go, you don't come.
No, my own case go different. I'm not go the party.
They say make I ask
If
you
I
whether
reach
na the
there, I
last
don't-
party where you go where you shop 2 plates of
Wait,
rice.
now they
and
talk. That's
about.
the reason. I say that last one, the thing don't teach me sense. So this next one now, if they invite me come, if I don't count, since they don't pass 50, even with the capacity of 500, now 250 they allow because they say 50%.
Yes.
That's half the number. If I don't count them pass 50, I be 51. I will just go where they sell food. Say give me my woman do take away go house.
I hear you.
I know go sit down.
confirm.
Waiting they there.
Confirm.
When
I
they
will
never
try
dey share
now.
food.
No be waiting they carry food they go party.
Wetin
No
you
be
See,
food.
make I
Now
tell you, if you define class captain of Owambe wey dem no invite na him, e no get party wey you go
I
wey dem
know,
no
I-
go get am food.
Na
Don't
you
go
are
where
the
they
point
give food,
o.
give
Na
me,
me
I
go
take
point
take
before
away
we
go
wan
house.
point
Ah,
again.
do
But
take away, give me
now,
a
I
glass.
believe now say everybody at this stage in time now don believe or don gree say corona na corona pampers, corona boboda wey dem dey call COVID-19 e dey real. The second matter wey come happen now be say people dey talk say if you take the vaccine you fit die. If you take the vaccine you fit turn to monkey. I wan come show una now say American president-elect, I mean wetin dem call am, American
You don't
president.
be self. You just remember.
He don take the vaccine and he take am for television. But before we show una the video wey he take am, e get one video wey he post, one picture wey he post wey he call write something for the exam. Make we put am for the screen there, make our hawk-eye Ima help us read am give people wey dey watch us
No be
for
all the food wey I
house.
dey chop, the onions wey I dey chop now, e don make my eye clear.
Read. Okay.
Na Joe Biden, his name na Joe Biden. He say today I received the COVID-19 vaccine to the scientists and researchers who worked make I speak like Oyibo people, who worked tirelessly to make this possible. Thank you. We owe you an awful lot. And to the American people, know there is nothing to worry about. When the vaccine is available, I urge you to take it.
My brother, I swear to God wey create me and my mama and my papa wey do all the work.
I go
You no talk like Oyibo people.
You see that I know. Oya, put them again. I go
You
put
no
am for
talk
pidgin.
like
You
Oyibo
know-
Put
people.
them again. I go
You
put am for
know
pidgin.
when Superman dey talk dey do like this.
Na wetin you dey do, but you do am like Yoruba.
Oya,
You
put
talk
them
like
again.
Yoruba man.
I go translate that for pidgin English. So I hope wey dey this side go understand wetin.
Oya, help us put am
we go
again,
school, we
make
go
you
school
talk am for
complete.
pidgin English.
Okay.
Today, I don receive the COVID-19 vaccine.
Receive na pidgin English. You know
I
what I
don collect. Calm down now. Today, I don collect the COVID-19 vaccine. To all the scientists dem and researchers dem wey put hand work from day to night to make sure say this vaccine e come out well well. I tell una thank you. Dalo,
thank
Sano.
you.
How do you talk am?
You don try.
Sano.
Okay.
Ese.
Sano,
All of them.
cool.
He say we owe una plenty. And to the American people o, make una put ear down. Make una know say worry no suppose dey una mind at all. We get una cover una like one network wey dey everywhere for the world wey you smell am. Say don cover you well well, insurance cover you well. Say but when the vaccine don come so, once e don dey for your domot, make sure say you take am, shook yourself well well. You understand? I wan go protect you.
Na all the thing wey right now you talk since. So
It's not what we are reading there.
You even do
I never understand
no
when
dey
you see air for wetin that man right now.
Hey, I don't tell. Nobody has make I dey here, I translate am. All of una no be there. No, all
You
the
know,
I read.
Shiny, you know wetin dey pay me for this papa matter? He do am for English, he fail. He do am for pidgin English, he still fail.
No worry, you know say people go soon send us message now. They go tell say they understand wetin I talk.
Oh yeah, na mo dey see those of una wey understand, mo know say una
Spider-Man.
understand. If you no understand, mo know say una no
So
understand.
make we bet. You want me to bet now? by the time we go outside, no say everybody don't hear this.
Christmas
they go wear mask.
He just want better.
They ask me,
collect my
they ask me, please wear the vaccine.
They
wear the
wear
vaccine.
masks.
They wait now.
Okay.
But for those of you that we see the picture, we listen to the thing where Ima they try to read where you no get 2 times. Now we go show na video. May no be like say na only picture will show now because Nigerians go talk say na picture, na Photoshop they take one. Oh yeah, na me na see the video. Me na take believe and say Joe Biden true. He collect the coronavirus vaccine and he never die.
Did he get to pick his Band-Aid?
Oh, that's not a Band-Aid.
You ready?
I'm ready. Got it up higher? All right. No, you just go ahead anytime you're ready. It's worth saying that this is great hope. I'm doing this to demonstrate that people should be prepared when it's available to take the vaccine. There's nothing to worry about. I'm looking forward to the second shot. So is Jill. She's had her shot earlier today. She
got what she watching. Who know?
So on a Nigerian warfare in black and white.
Okay. See, I watching. It's like 007. Oh Lord. Quickly.
Now people they run like that.
No, now the motor where they think they blow now.
Now they don't see they scatter, they throw for air.
So see today the motor begin enter street inside bush. Ewo. See them they run. See them they run.
All those ones now people they run. Now people don't use like they run so.
Now they don't see how they don't scatter the motor.
So na gay.
I you know what? I follow the story. I follow the story for this when these people they put them
now bomb they come down like that.
The defense people they put them for their social media. They say after they even destroy the motor, they even still knock some of the people. They still they affect some of the people. But this one, whether they take drop this system, you don't even reach the machine, the Tucano. They call them Tucano. Where did they expect to even come? See that one?
It mean machine where they go Kano.
The one where are you?
No say Tucano.
Now Tucano they call them. Now you know how they pronounce them for English. They say the one where they use. You know even near what did they expect? The weapon where did they expect to come? So that one like 3 times the effect.
So if they get that one now, Boko Haram don't end.
You can imagine saying now let this one take any one they use do this kind correct damage. Show us. Be like say we dey watch World War 3.
If that one come.
I bet my brother know they talk about World War 3. Talk about the 1 and 2 it will happen. Leave the 3.
It's this now see like say the way they watch war
film. They forget for Nigeria.
All those commando, Van Damme kind Rambo arrangement.
You don't watch plenty movie.
You got to watch film, my brother. You got to watch film.
So wait, if your actor and boss, this guy thing na the boss they do like this. If you be actor, they support the actor.
What thing go make me they go up front in the first place? And my type that they find.
Police and thief. Oh Lord, and they like they always be police.
But
my guy Steve and they
we even talk matter way serious now. You see the way Air Task Force now take serious with these people for Lafayette Adjoli for Borno State too. You feel say very soon now, based on say insecurity now just plenty everywhere for Nigeria. Not only Nigeria insecurity deal, but more just touchlight the Nigeria on Nigeria plenty. So you feel say anytime soon we go see the government or the military and do Boko Haram the way they say and do this terrorists way we just watch now so. Because you know say they say sack service chief. No, they don't sack anybody. They know. In fact, they see maybe they don't give them rice and chicken for Christmas now. No, that's
if you ask me,
see,
no, but based on PA, we will not be.
No, if I go talk now, because they do PR for government. My own be say,
no.
I like to be optimistic.
Optima.
What's your optimistic mean?
Optima.
See, I go school. Forget all this one I do for years.
You go school, no mean say you know.
I have doctor in my name. It's not easy.
What do you mean?
Where are they sure? Say one day. All this is so we don't go to say you go complete 0 because no country. Forget that US all of they don't go. It plenty everywhere.
No kukuro go now reply it out but continue.
You know go
when they come to the country come back. You know go talk through the
if they give you free tickets, everything passport.
I'll go and visit and come back.
Liar.
This boy.
I'm going to stay left.
No be food in your belly. Na lie in your belly.
As I dey like this, wait, I don't understand. As I dey like this, I'm patriotic pass on president.
How you take
for
day?
Nigeria?
I don't know what you mean. I know they do.
That the question we ask you now.
No,
I say I patriotic pass on president.
You say you patriotic.
The question now, make una go figure out who president.
You patriotic. You dey patronize
The
Nigeria.
boy no be Nigeria.
You dey patronize Nigeria.
Then they say something.
I say.
You know how many shares I get for Nigeria?
All of now here they talk about business, they talk about cartoon, all the other thing. I never talk
Me, I guess I sure say one day go stop.
Okay, make I clear it now. You know, say you get some kind of
future.
wey stay happen for one area like that, where they call Jota for Lagos State. So we say they talk say they kill like 12 people in the evening, one evening like that. This thing where they talk now, based on insecurity now, where they happen inside Nigeria. All this is a reach Twitter. Shey you feel say based on specialist wey talk na be farmer but now as I feel say talk na suppose don hear one or two things. You feel say anything.
Na she get PhD for that one.
See, you say na 12 people dey kill. Me I guess say na 8.
Na wetin dem tell me.
Make you hear wetin you want to first.
Yeah.
Because you like say we dey talk one.
Shey understand. I'm just here to tell una what the people are talking about so that
Now we call
people can help us to break it down based on una no get work. You understand? Like social media influencers now. Wetin?
Continue.
You just declare, Sunday don't pass.
But you go try to go that enter, you no complain.
Continue.
As I dey talk, before the cockroach go enter the tori. Wetin una feel say Naija go do, or shey una feel say anytime soon they go do something as they take do for this video wey we just watch now?
Me, I look. Okay, no, ladies first.
This video wey we don watch now, where e happen?
E happen for Borno.
And you feel say this thing fit happen anytime soon for here?
No, I know to say for Lagos State. You know understand the question where I ask. Make I clear you. You know say these people now they talk say now terrorists. Now the biggest terrorists wey me I feel say we get for Nigeria, where everybody go agree with me, na Boko Haram. We never see this kind of thing happen with Boko Haram since they start to dey bomb people anyhow. They kill all those rice farmers. So say some people still kidnap over 300 children now. They don't get them back, but they no tell us how they take get them. You feel say?
That's what you want to know.
I don't even leave that one, but if you say we go see the end of Boko Haram anytime soon.
No, soon, no. Me, that one, even if you ask person where they just born today, go tell you say no.
Still fine in the future.
You know why? You know why? The thing be say, this thing, so people they call it business and not get time to do that one. One thing we need to understand with terrorism now, say, as you they live normal life, now that won't be the normal life.
Now to the cause we give their normal
life with that.
Na so they take the shock.
This life now, wow.
You know, say when you want to begin change to something, that will really say, they don't rehabilitate somebody to change from the way they think before. You know, say that one not be one day process. You know, go first catch the person when you rehabilitate them.
True now.
They don't catch all of them. As they did now, they catch some. They get some way they see they born, they enter, they groom them, they grow them. So it's not like say you plant as you they harvest. And that person they plant more, na so it be. So you go taste more.
I even hear last week say you get one baby like that, so now I even get self where you do suicide bombing for somewhere for north there, say kill some people. I don't even know say women for Nigeria said don't do all these kind of things. I think say na men na.
That time waiting they happen in the jant,
What do you they talk?
In the jant that time
those people where their papa and the mama, no, their papa and brothers be these Boko Haram people. You say they don't get sisters.
They go get now.
They groom them as in take talk now. And see, if you want go bomb some kind of place, you need babe. When we say they don't feel suspect. Nobody go suspect her. You get. If they go dress, cover, you go just they look fine face. You don't say underneath. Shebi na wetin they call.
You see how shiny fine like this now.
Now what that? Is that be the look at?
I never thought me. I don't say eye.
I just look at go up and look at go down.
So imagine now as you can't tell her say, okay, me she dress one kind. Just to kill. You know they call it dress to kill, and I kill you won't go kill.
You see how they shake?
He can't carry himself as it all dressed to kill. Can't go enter some Mr. Marketable. Where they hail him from she just enter.
So you
share case.
Share case. They don't say carry loads for body.
Una too no dey okay.
Share case.
They go look and say, this is set. Make you go collect your phone number and you go just there, you go just release. And so people go knock out. They say do banger.
Wetin they release?
Asan, why they look me, they talk release?
Now, she na bomb with the talk now. What's it concern?
Now you they talk now, you they talk say they release.
They release the
he
bomb.
say release, he never put the prefix
at least
at the surface.
I know what me have been they talk now. When I call the twist up.
No, now she talk say make you clarify. Me I just see the talk say na release the talk.
We agree na release in the talk.
So for that we need to confess. I'm going to tell us what to go to yesterday night. Everyone they drop for you now.
Wait,
why you
be say? Why you be say for everything we don't talk?
You go yesterday.
You go back yesterday. You miss yesterday. No, we can actually take it.
No, but the way that they talk, you guys say something happened yesterday.
We mentioned yesterday night. Something happened. What happened? We say people sleep, people wake up.
It happened.
You know, wake up.
It's okay. Adults in the room.
Zambi, adults in the room.
Children in the room.
See now, better say now me they go carry all the amebo they call. Now they talk about the amebo. Based on now sabi talk about amebo. Now we need to go small break. Maybe we go drink water. But before we go that break now, see the story now where the bomb terrorists for Bonuso. This video now, the person who sent the video, he tag down for dance say, if you buy dog from Enugu, now it don't go from Bonu to Enugu.
No, but this guy dog.
Say, if you buy dog from Enugu, now like this, the dog, he go to behave. So now that video now we go tell you now.
Enugu.
Say, I don't stop anybody from Enugu. I hear they talk say maybe
they go beat that one.
now so all the dog they do for them because now so now what is the right for the video be that. So we'll go that break now. We'll go to watch that video. If we come back, we continue from where we stopped before. It's like they shake like shiny.
He did like you.
Sorry.
See what I wear. See the dog, the body now black.
You know, say if I dare you make you stand up dance now like that.
I know Sabi kuku dance, so but you be kuku be like this.
Like
you wear black.
I like the fact say where they could put your name, your Twitter and the day there. If they call for you, I be not around. No problem.
And to go deactivate my Twitter account.
If you tag me,
you know cause trouble.
They do it now.
I no go come for your aid though.
But you know what I just like about today's show?
Later.
The way everything just line up, we just go from one state to the other, from one state to the other. You see the dog now, we just dance finish now. The next story now, it could happen for Uyo.
Wow.
This one, I know be me, voodoo one. I'm serious. I don't be me do anyone all this way that they see. So I just carry the story come. As I say they say for Twitter and every other blog spot way, when I talk say they carry come, they give now every day, make you say they informate now. This one now na person mama. And it don't come out I talk to culture say for Uyo High School. They don't maltreat my picky way fat before it don't remain crayfish.
That story, no, that story pay me. Oh.
The story pay me as I say I feel for the mama.
See, no.
Serious. If like say I never watch am.
See,
I don't watch am now.
If you get
pikin, they do it.
Shiny. If you get pikin, this thing.
You don't get pikin.
No, even if you don't get pikin,
he don't throw away plenty pikin, but he never born anyone.
Though
I feel for him.
Hey.
You know many pikin for just get now if no be the way everything job be for you.
Sorry, I feel your pain.
Even me, I feel it.
No, when I watch
you
it, I
never
go feel the pain.
What thing I know?
When I watch the video, I said go feel the pain.
Oh yeah,
that one the video self day because if I don't say some people no go like that watch that video.
Not true.
Me, I watched that video.
When I watched the video,
I say,
it don't make sense. So because we see the boy take fresh before.
That boy said they smile before.
It can't be like Oporoko. You know it's be Oporoko now.
Shiny, see where you carry and go finish. After I go to say
they not try. The people who do it, they not try. They don't even try.
This one now, when I was that yesterday, when they blame student, blame this one, blame this one.
No, this one.
Nah, just blame this school. But another question be say how long that pikin don't take that school where parents say no go check am.
Na 2 months now.
Only 2 months now that pikin remain like that.
2 months.
The thing, but I know the
matter. They may as they work out like 3 months now. Belle never go down.
No, if they test you, they show.
They may abeg go enroll for Uyo High School. May you feel cut down small because since now that boy dey solve the thing
they do. You know see wetin they do the boy. Make they do and dem front and back everything and they do.
No, this one I no fit see the kind thing they toss they do that boy. My mouth no fit
talk. He heavy for mouth.
Yes,
you know that song.
He heavy for mouth.
This matter when they sit down. He heavy for mouth.
So be meaning
see no but this thing no wait una take a laugh o.
No we not take a laugh.
As if they pay me if they get this kind of thing go do you go wan go that school make you go tell all the whole senior wey dem need am.
But you know say this.
So you get some kind of school where they suppose just close. Can't do better waiting federal government if we get that happen for Nigeria they go say want to do inquiry Now what is they supposed to do?
They set up committee.
They're supposed to find out why this kind of thing will happen to a person picking way fat like that, so they can carry on at school. It can't remain waiting remain. But just like I for you, they talk and you never believe us. Oh yeah, now cause the video may not see what we talk about. Show that video, I beg.
Please, whoever is watching this video should help me share it until it gets to the right appropriate authorities. It's not easy to muzzle money out together after COVID and send a child to school only for the child to return as a skeleton. Look at all his bones. Look at all his bones. This is a chubby striker. I will show his picture when he left for school. As he came back now, I will show his picture. He has been throwing up greenish things. I have videoed him. I will send his picture. Nigerians, please come to my aid. I never knew Deeper Life was strictly for Deeper Life member. I am not a member, but I paid my dues for my child to go to their school. So that day I went after the dream. I now discovered, and I was told that I told them that I would like to have to talk to my son one-on-one. That I wouldn't want to leave this thing this way. I would like to talk to him one-on-one. I took my son into the car. He was afraid. I said, talk to me. He said, if he talk to me, that they will kill him. I said, in a school environment, who will kill you? Talk to me. I am your mother. Here is the boy, the first day he went to school. Here is the boy, the first day he went to Deeper Life High School. Here is the boy, the first day he entered school. Here is him, and here is him now. I want the whole world to see my son. The first day he went to Deeper Life High School. I'm not saying that school shouldn't make you lose weight, but not to this extent. Look at him, right?
No.
This one no fresh now.
I don't want to see it. I don't want to know, because when I be hear this thing for Twitter, people gonna say, if you go school, na normal thing for you to lose weight.
So lose weight like that.
You can't lose weight though. This one dry. 2 months.
You know, lose weight like that.
The boy vanish. No, they don't try.
This one now wickedness. Who go to first speaking like this?
In high.
When I know the funny thing is, see this matter, you know just start. You know just start. Sincerely speaking, you know notice say. Even when me at the primary school that time or even secondary school, most of the schools where we go, most of the people they boarding house. You go to say if it's in the morning now, you wake up like 15 senior fit tell you say may you go to carry bucket, they fetch water, come give all of them one after the other. You go see enter canteen in one shop, they go tell you say you know grease, they collect your food, or maybe they don't even give them better food. All these boarding house schools, especially the ones where they Lagos say me I don't see, they know they try.
No, be only Lagos.
They're not they try.
I don't know me personally. Anybody figure your opinion, but me I don't like body house from day one.
They're not they
Nobody
try.
they like body house. So
but they go say I don't know why parents they get different reasons to send their children go body house. They get different reason. Some people say they want me to pick sharp and one thing. See,
now for school now picky go take sharp.
Yeah, they look at like say. Unless the person won't carry, you know, won't train Peking the way
just
you want to.
Punish.
One make another person help you train your Peking.
Or you busy with
for that body house, and now the Peking goes.
Now there, all the thing go to happen fast now.
I remember when I did junior secondary, the day we want senior slap me. Wetin happen? They say we come late. I know we say we come late. No, wait. I go explain, give you, make you understand. They say we come late. See wetin happen. Assembly never start. Okay. They just ring bell. We don't hear the bell from far. We don't they run, they come. But they just back. We remember when they just give them badge for assembly. They never start to line up. Oh.
Nah, so now.
All of us we don't they swear, say we don't they hear the bell, we don't they run, they come. As we don't they run, the guy just say, hey, wait. Now me call it as JSS one boy now, fresh. I want to give explanation, say, but senior, they just start and they just start not why. I take answer.
I take shop slap.
Me as I collect, every other person come respect. I think they load my cheek. They reason.
You know say you go, you know try. You supposed to turn the left one give one.
No, because I don't just
balance now.
Thank you. My job shift. But they get me balance and back.
No, but
with the wise thing say, it gets some kind. If people start to tell you the thing where they suffer for senior hand, from today, people go. Let's go talk today for sure.
No be small matter. No be small matter.
You know the pay me pass. I been get senior what I know for that school. I can't go meet her and make I even explain say senior. Say nothing where you go fit do because the person wey do that thing na him friend.
Okay.
You get? Then no one go cause fight among themselves. So now me come be sacrificial lamb. I carry my chick, I go.
Well, see, me will talk about this.
Me go the reason say when I go remember when at that one that won't happen well because at this class I go to tell my friend and my classmates. Now the girls come say you themselves become senior. They go make sure say they go do their own back.
So now what if they don't go through?
The trauma.
You guys do your own, but you guys do your own. But this one did too much.
You don't go shock till the boys will do this thing to this boy. Then self don't suffer.
Yes. You know, yeah, that place where the mama say they talk say if they ask the boy say what happen, say the boy tell and say if I talk they will kill me. What you go make that kind of small pikin if you even talk that talk say if I talk they will kill me.
The mama they talk say again. The mama they talk say this boy was saying go they confident if they talk.
Pikin wey shy.
All of a sudden they shy.
No, because the self-confidence don't go, everything don't go. They don't snatch away the boy joy. They don't kill the boy.
Then they call PTSD. Go naka. That one are post traumatic stress disorder.
How they want you take the treat this boy?
It goes school true. But what do you feel say the state government itself now supposed to do? Because what na private na Uyo high school na private school.
You go shock. You go shock.
Na private school having a public school.
Now only one boy with the year story abi. You go plenty.
Now come out the stories now they come out one.
You go plenty they don't do this kind of thing too. Parents go many parents don't come and come talk their own. Some go don't say they go say the boy just dey lose weight.
Now this kind matter now go dey very very disappointed if police no enter there do correct investigation make dem say know wetin dey happen or make the state government even shook mouth for this matter.
They no fit.
Which kind of
see if you know say this kind of thing they know say na so kind person na him get the school. They know this kind of way they talk no fit happen because they go don't go do undercover work say
the school that way they talk. I'm not talking say no fit happen. But you go tell me say this kind of thing we don't blow like this for the whole social media. They must say because of no be cover this one again now.
No say once matter don reach social media just
for Queen's College that year. Queen's College they drink water they make the water come make your students they sick. About that way to enter social media like this.
You know,
Queen's College no close mouth again now. They had to do investigation. Last.
Investigation no because
now based on this investigation where you mentioned now, the school authorities now don't come write press release now we will go see put on screen for now where they watch us to feel read down. They don't talk say they don't they look into the matter say they don't know anything about them. Say but whether na students or we be seniors so whether na the juniors they be whether na teachers so now you get hand inside this matter so they go make sure say they punish their cause the year say even the principal of the school now don't they under suspension. But share this one now with this step they don't take now is enough abi you get all that is where they supposed to do.
If na me if you ask me, because I know say Shining, like she go look at from a woman angle.
As we talk, if you put the story for screen, maybe people when they watch us video,
Shining, if you look at from a woman angle. But any parent will get picking for that school, we never go check him picking where. We never go check after this one.
Now you call responsible parent.
But you see me, try to change school. I do boarding house. No boarding house again. Cancel. I want to see you every day for my house.
No me.
I know even like
that. I don't fit carry my pikin go boarding house so. I know fit because see aside this one wey we dey see the one wey you know dey sing.
You know that
so many characters wey say they go dey relate from them friends. Lesbianism this one tea-free a lot cultism e dey start from.
I say I dey school dey slap me based on say I run this one na shebi na if I reach house I go tell them.
You know say if na day to day school the boy dey go if they do anything but this kind thing na when you see your mama wey you wan come report and even if you wan come see your mama teacher fit even stand there dey tell you they look you one kind eye.
Yes na say shebi your mama go no be abi house master I never hear the ones wey house masters dey you know say pikin for the day public school boarding school if you buy all the food stuff wey they go carry go school, you get ones where then they shop, you get ones where they carry give seniors and house master.
So imagine say even if they no beat this boy, say
only the starvation self.
What they call it?
Malnutrition.
Shey you grab.
They say they to go school, but I mean yes they say they even give the boy multivitamins based on say mama they insist say she wants see pikin. Because if you don't want let her.
Shey you understand.
You dey give person multivitamins minutes to when they want see her. He want make it blow up in under 2 minutes and 1 hour.
It means that the boy don't dry before.
And they know that thing. The mama say she forced them by force say I want to see my pikin. They say it's against protocol. It's against protocol to see your pikin where you walk out to born.
But why I carry for 9 months?
Levels dey this thing. I know say you get some pikin where they dey school wey be say then they shop better food.
Sure now.
No, that's so they
add weight.
You don't know so Jore is a policy.
That's why they put some of our big politicians inside prison. They get VIP session.
Bro, sorry.
We
talk am. You get some of our politicians wey dey give house inside that place.
Now they talk
prison.
Body house now. Because they say, no.
Enjoy with full TV.
Suffer don't do us. So why would they see suffer? They know the difference. They go tell you say, na normal. If you go enter body house, you go lose weight. Nah, lie. Now people they add weight.
Attire.
You know say, you get one man where you reply. That one talk say, when they said the pikin, na 2 mattress they give the boy go. No one full and come back.
Imagine.
If you go there, they go collect
but see all these things wey just dey happen for plenty parts of the world, including Nigeria, especially Nigeria. Plenty like insecurity no be now just start. This one now again. This one now all the bad things. See this one now again no be now just start. Make a reason for you. Primary school, kindergarten, you go see teachers wey dey shop the children food. Secondary school, you go junior secondary school, you go see senior wey dey still collect their food. Senior secondary school, you go see seniors wey dey beat them, collect their food. You go come see teachers again wey still dey beat them, still dey collect their food, go still dey maltreat them like this. You go come to enter university, you go see lecturer wey wan fail you because you too fine. You see lecturer wey wan fail you because you too know book, you correct am. You see lecturer wey wan fail you because of say you wan show you say you get power. You go come see court boys wey wan show you say na dem get compound based on say you wear one color of cloth wey no be dem create. When all these things go stop for institution and Naija.
See, this kind, you know, fit stop.
You know, say Femi Adesina be talking yesterday, say Nigerians get patience.
No be patience now. Why you like this?
No, but we stop. Anti-patience, what be the difference?
We stop am. Now, I remember one story where one bros tell us. He say when you go barber. I said all this thing now orientation. He say when you go barber. The man they barb here, they go in consist of small children, just they play around like near the shop. In con they put here for the kind of way they talk. Small children, you say this is like 7 years, 8 years, say the highest they go like 10 years old. He said the pikin con they talk say, if he grow up, say he go be the alaye for the area like
Joy imagine.
Now he say
10 years old what be alaye?
He they hear the thing, he say in shock.
What say the papa
and the pikin they talk about.
Not true.
So they play they go. Say he mentioned the bros for area now. Say he won't be like that bros, because now he be the alaye for area.
He say I say don't get role model.
So say that one say he say himself go be the second oga. Say that one and they be small children.
See the kind of things where they expose our children to.
He say as he take conquer the thing. See after they don't barb here finish, he come call the children come. He first buy some things like biscuits. They come the gist. He say they follow small children they gist. He come as they say say this thing wey una dey talk. Say no be so. Say see. Una still small, but see this road una wan go follow, see where you go carry una enter. He go to say that one na the first bait to then carry them come. You know say that's one thing, na the kind of way pastor go first tell you say no do like this, but he say go one step further, make you go one step again. He say wetin you come do now? He come tell the children say okay no worry, yeah. See that place una dey like play ball for this una corner, make una come. You get when he dey play ball with the senior people, he come go there. As he carry them, they come go dey play ball. Small children, he come dey gather there, they play ball. Next thing, he buy boots for them, buy socks for them,
show them better
buy
way
for them. He said that just that week when he buy this thing, come for them. The following week, the place full. All the children go be their mates, they go be their friends. Small, now then you go they begin they change their mind.
Say you guys just show them better to their lives.
How many of that kind person they will?
Now why we must try to practice this? If as now they watch us now, those who know the watch us where they hear, based on say maybe your food just they born off the gas, listen to this one now. Very because important. This time now everybody responsibility. You get one thing where we do me to they sabi they do and where they sabi point finger, give federal government, give state government, local government, everything government to point hand. Now see even the school government now we point hand, we agree and they fuck up. You understand? But most saying like this. All the children now where they maltreat other people children. All the people where we say they are picking turn courts. All the people where they are picking some politicians where they thief money. Now one place is start from. Now they go to say na society that, but they forget say society no just grow by itself. Now the people now society.
Thank you.
If we feel one after the other, make sure say we drive our picking from here, from small, from where they start to the crawl. Show them the right thing. Make sure say they know they watch work by gun on top television when they did small work by gun. Now work by gun. Now you die by gun. Show them the right thing since where then this more.
But that's what they try to tell you. That's what they try to tell you.
One thing where one brother talk, and I reason now. Shey now relating to what I just talk. Say if you see pikin where they do something, no talk say no be my pikin no. So make I no correct. Because if you no correct them, that pikin go come up one day. The problem not be only for your parents, for your own, for the community. Because say if they grow now, you go meet your pikin one day. You go influence your pikin, it don't become problem too.
Yes, now.
You get so as if they come, they do 1, 2, 3, they come plenty. Now problem for the community be that.
This way you talk now. I remember when Shehu get matter. Was it Shehu got to say one thing I don't forget Shehu talk. Now very fact. He say if they not train you for us, somebody go train you for us.
Correct.
They do not correct it for us. Somebody will correct it for us.
Now why I like the African system of raising children.
That exactly.
A community something.
This body house of arrangement. This body house of arrangement. We cause this thing now. That one don't mean say that happen for day school.
Yes, now.
But see this body house, it don't give you small excuse to take problem because when you go to see your pikin, they draw here. No be pikin where they
you know go to see.
So if you know they go visit your pikin for body house, don't they wait when they close.
You know go
3 months go reach something that happen. One day is enough of bad thing to happen to pikin.
The thing wey be say when they you know this teachers training, wetin they call them? When they train them, when they know they train them only for book.
Aye.
When they train them for other
that one when they talk
na they train them in different
ways.
ways.
Wait, wetin they talk na psychology. That one na subject. I remember they teach us psychology for school. The man they give us book wey they go read. Psychology, you dey try study people mind. Na social interaction. How people dey relate. Na nobody know where you talk.
Moku touch like this matter, the problems one after the other. You get one thing where I notice for society. If pikin he carry matches, he light up for paper. They no go beat her, they go say, Shebi just dey play now. Only matches he light now. When that pikin no go burn house. Yeah. But if the pikin now start to carry knife, they pursue another person, at that time he won't start to beat her. Make we learn to dey correct all these children from where he go pot. He go say the meat was looking at me, he took it. Now from there they start to. Because at that time
the meat they eye
so he go say the meat they eye me, the meat they eye me, man say my mama meat.
All this thing we dey talk, no be only parents they train children. Now where they talk. See, get one of my friend pikin. She dey very, very small. She gonna tell her mama, you're mad.
You see,
you're too pissed.
The man get the full and laugh.
So the girl come in, Auntie P, you're mad. I say, now I carry her. The mama say, if you touch me, I go beat you, Joy. I beat her. Because you know they beat my pikin again. I say, when the pikin want tell you you're mad, when they tell you.
Abi, no go tell another person.
If you begin tell me you're mad, or I dare when they tell another person you're mad, I go beat them.
You say they learn how to speak. That's why now you're mad. No, you learn how to speak.
No, be say they learn how to speak. Oh, you know the excuse what would they give because we know they okay. They go they talk say children of nowadays they are too smart.
Now you smart. Oh,
now you saw they take smart.
They say pikin wey open eye for bad place na bad thing you go see. Oh,
that's why you go enter Twitter now. Somebody will be like 18 years. You go tell somebody will be like in mama age. You go tell and say, would you keep short?
Just imagine because you just go social media English. We need to teach you children starting from how to greet. How to ask for something before you take am. Wetin to do and wetin to no do.
You see, another thing wey go cause problem for us now. I understand though, say social media na place where people dey come dey social, behave yourself. But see that thing wey they call respect.
I know.
That's what they call respect. Where Africa get before.
Respect no dey
again. We need to look at.
We need to look at.
Respect no dey again na societal status dey now.
Because somebody wey be influencer. Because they be 19 years, somebody give me pay. You can't believe say when they talk, make adults wey supposed to sit down and they correct them. No go correct them. Nah, no be so. Don't they train us so.
Now Mokute they talk about people wey they train, people wey they no train. We know say we don't go from state to state now. Now it don't go from issue to issue. People wey they train, the ones wey they no train. Now we know even understand who they train and who they no train. We don't understand what thing goes for life be again. You go see some people go use like 3,000 naira buy one cup of water. They go say nah because I have the money I can spend it. Now cause you see one baby like that, the babe posh, she fresh, she dey well, she kajad. Now one baba won't give her gift. He go see what they talk. Now he go vex you. Because they use and they do fine tune. They like say nah Christmas now tomorrow. No be tomorrow. It's still fast more. This babe now they buy this way that they call bone straight. I don't even know say now. My brother. I don't know say now. I just say bone straight now. You know this activity where people they do man use all mouth talk and finish.
They buy bones, no be bone.
My brother. Now wait till I
We are both straight for
am I both straight? You understand?
You get
my leg here now.
You get girlfriend. You get girlfriend.
I'm single.
You
I'm
get
searching.
girlfriend.
I know even understand the way
I'm single. I'm searching.
I ask whether you get babe. You get
Girlfriend get me.
girlfriend. Girlfriend get you.
You
Now
get
people
me.
that they talk about this bone straight thing.
You waiting be both straight.
No be bone.
Kowe no.
See, the first time I hear bone straight before, I see say one of my friends post bone straight. She dey do like this. She dey do. I can't say.
All of them do this one.
They don't do this one. The neck bone straight.
Now they do this one. This one they carry bone. They don't do this one.
No be ritual. No be ritual.
No be ritual. Say na
It go shock you when you see the
We
video.
born no.
Now be bone straight. Una use bone do hair.
Na part of wetin we dey talk be this. The problem no just start. You know say na so they say with your Brazilian hair. It come out for that one. They go and even they know the name. It's a Peruvian hair.
Tell. Una don't leave all that one. Una don't they use bone they do hair.
They use person bone they do hair.
See, maybe
I don't carry her now.
Make you show am, make him know.
Oh yeah,
Wetin dey talk.
I bet make una help us pull that video where it be like say person pikin don mad, but she no mad though.
Bone straight.
Na bone straight, bone now. Help us put that video, make people wey dey watch us still understand. Those of una wey no know wetin bone straight be, like man myself wey be say me I just learn am this morning.
I won't carry bone for
Me
you
na
now.
attire my brother.
No worry, somebody.
Make I show us bone straight
Relax,
abeg.
go see bone straight.
That one I use now.
He just dey dress me.
Wait. The bone straight like you.
If they come buy motor give this babe buko.
Wait.
No, bone straight.
No. No.
See.
Wait.
Tell me
I
now.
need to understand. Oh yeah,
Bone
wait.
straight.
No, wait. I go ask you go answer. Because this one, now let you
Now you need to get. You must answer everything they tell you because I don't understand.
I don't get bone straight.
Waiting down hair different from
For this way you carry now.
See,
Explain.
that hair, another level of hair.
Okay.
You get.
Okay.
You know how much that hair dey cost?
Wait,
How much?
leave the money. I something be different between that one and this one.
E
But
dey
for
different.
look am.
See, you don't fit use this one compare that one for quality.
Okay.
That one get mad quality. They call
They
am
use bone do
hair.
am.
Which na hair they
Why
take
did they
am.
call am bone wey
Now they
straight?
ask now.
Because say the hair is straight, e long. Oh God, like e long.
When the bone come to
E long.
enter?
bone wey straight na.
Oh!
Say the hair no dey bend.
E no dey bend, e dey long.
Okay, go long like that.
Long. You know
Wait
see
now,
am?
make
Yeah,
I call ask you now. You know say get one time wey they use person hair. This one na person hair, I be na synthetic.
No, see wetin.
No, it's not a person
Na
hair.
him be hair be this one.
Na hair.
Oh yeah, wait.
No be see
See,
wait
this
see
one-
for this
we
one.
won't understand. So we go ask you question.
Ask-
You said the hair is straight.
It's straight.
They call her bone
Bone
straight
straight.
because say you know they bend abi. Okay, wait oh. I want me to play that video again. Come here and see something. The hair wey they show us in her bone straight. E be like wig before. E just squeeze.
No,
You
nah.
know wetin?
The one wey she wear
If
sef
she be
for
say
head.
no be bone straight, they
pass
back you
her.
out, she no know.
Na bone straight. You no understand. As she open the thing, she jump.
Nne, you tell me say the thing no dey bend. Wetin dey show us
She
bend?
jump, the
Even
thing
the one wey
roll.
she wear for
Wait
hair,
now,
e
wait
straight
now.
pass the one wey dey show us
Wait
on
now,
television.
wait now, make I clear you. How much? Wait, I get where I dey go.
The lady thing na, it is straight. That thing suppose to dey straight. You know wetin dey show us? That is straight for her. How they can reborn? This
Ima,
is
you know wetin? E be like say they never put start.
No, no.
the one wey she wear for head sef. That one be straight.
No, wey she wear for
Yeah,
head.
the pass the thing wey she dey show us na.
You no understand. She don ruffle the thing. Na see how she big.
Una tell me say he say he ruffle the thing. Na you talk say if the
You know
thing
they
ruffle,
bend.
you go
E
still
no
straight, you no
dey
dey bend.
bend. Na e no mean say the
I
thing.
wait, you mean say e no dey
drop am.
rough,
E no dey.
but e go still
E
sound
go feel
one.
rough. You get? She drop am.
Na
But
him-
if you pick the hair, if you pick the hair long, that's straight. As
Okay,
straight
as you go.
Okay, you
go
mean
need
say
come.
if you don
How
wear
much
am,
is it?
the thing go just
She
straight
go just
go down.
sleep.
It's okay.
E go be like say mami water
Oh
enter
no,
water.
happens
The
to
thing
go, happens to go, leave problem.
How much?
So, ego know with that issue.
Bone straight get plenty o. From 200k up. E
Wait
no really
first,
come
wait
down.
first.
Na
Wait,
so.
wait, they look now. That normal human hair wey una be dey buy that hair wey through the K dey make noise up and down. How much be that one?
No, na hair as I talk before.
I
Hair
know
get
na.
different.
No, I
E get
know.
100k, e get 200k, e get it depends.
Wait, that time, that human hair, that time,
human hair get grade. You feel the human hair 5,000.
The one wey cost where that time, human being hair, not much.
No, Chelukwa, is she mad?
Because I want to know how human being hair wey cost that time for like 20,000 naira, 50,000 naira. Add the another human being hair come in 200,000 naira.
It's going up.
When I don't go another country, go find.
Wait, make I ask you a question. When you buy rice no get different quality.
Grade, Abi.
I go to compare rice to person here.
No, as you dey talk, as that one cost 50,000
shiny.
That one different.
You know, say two of us here, we will move for this topic. Now you be the only woman, no problem. Can I make it the answer? So you tell me, say somebody will carry bag of cement to go let you build house for head.
Make I tell you.
Now when you bag of cement with that.
Now when you not get money, now you gonna think this kind of thing. Make I tell you. Una don hear about this Bow Street. E get one auntie enter shop. See where they hang the Bow Street. Now she thief am 350,000 naira hair. You know what?
Okay, but wait. Now I ask you one question. Wait, they buy for me for there. Wetin go make person they appeal like that because they buy weed? Now you go make am they appeal.
You know how many
like
girls?
that?
How many girls? You don't know say girls they even they go buy kaya mata they wear for waist. Make they take get money to buy this.
For this subject this topic can happen like this because the more they think my calculator don't blow. My head don't they get headache.
See,
the headache self get headache.
If you buy this Bow Street, come here for me.
No.
Scatter everywhere.
No.
If they come buy you motonko.
You see, motor good. But as this one take the rain now, everybody won't buy Bow Street. So but if
you they try tell me say you no go work. No, you don't know the type of hair that brought.
No, I don't drag this matter because see, you don't forget say. Women, different things, like they attract them. Maybe this one now, she don't fulfill her life ambition. Maybe na her.
Nah, that don't be life ambition.
I just dey talk. I don't say maybe nah.
But you say for one Bow Street like this now.
I don't get money. I don't feel.
Okay, it's just for now. There was a time BlackBerry was the thing. Babe, one die for BlackBerry.
You even go fast. You go fast. Stop her. iPhone. You remember say yesterday I referenced my brother with the uni like that way name na Ahmed. He get one time where we say he go use noodles cash babe for him like noodles.
No be him now.
He can't go for iPhone. He can't say last he go even use Crocs cash babe.
Chicken and chips.
Time
and chips.
Later use onion when they see a cash babe.
They use BlackBerry. From BlackBerry they enter iPad. From iPad they enter iPhone. From iPhone na Bow Street.
You are trying.
No problem.
We go with it.
Last they go begin use Bitcoin. All those guys
they cash babe.
Take a pay dowry, bright price. Now Bitcoin.
Whether na Mali abi na Zlatan, don't talk and say Yahoo Igbo.
I'll forward you Bitcoin. How much is your daughter's bright price? Take big boy to pay.
Sorry. You go to the collect money for bus stop. Ima, see this thing man clear now. Woman matter I be like redo for my eye. But based on say redo now they hard to dey solve. Now why we go break? Make we fit go to solve one redo. The break go they go now one redo.
Okay.
Because as everybody where they watch us now, time for now to participate proper, it don't reach.
Person will go win this one. Say give her money.
Bow Street.
You won't give them money.
Bow Street.
And they feed generous. Now.
Everybody right now, if you tell me the answer to this redo before the thing finish, I promise you 2 free tickets to go cinema. Shiny Tiny go give you Bow Street.
I don't get it.
Ima wetin you wan give them?
I go do recharge card.
Yeah, see, recharge cards.
No, I don't tell me the amount. Don't tell me the amount.
And
2 free movie tickets to go watch film for cinema. Anybody with the production for what the call MCR, una not qualified to participate. So I beg now, make una give us that redo video. Make we take watch and know whether our brain sharp enough. I don't know whether people they do Bow Street self go get and sharp, but anyhow.
Somebody that Bow Street push out.
Yeah, where they jump like that for Bow Street.
Wow.
We not follow us play the game.
don't get door. Motor don't get door.
That door wey no dey na part of the clue. If you look away, you go understand where door suppose dey. Now remember say no be only for Naija. Well, okay, wait. Most of the things wey we dey do for Naija based on colonialism, you know say na for UK e come from. Now, where driver dey for UK? No talk the answer if you get her, no talk am. No be you dey play. I don dey give una hint now.
But you say this one na Naija road. Because they ask me say which rather than left to dey go with that. I don't tell you na last man go catch this money last time.
One way I Georgia.
Everybody.
Last man go say where is your
All of them catch am.
Last man go say where is your permit for not having a door?
When person that won't window.
They won't climb me, they won't jump. No, you get what this thing just remind me for something.
Matter.
When I did 200 level, you know, say na private school, I go, man, I know vessel. So they can't relocate us, can't go one other place. Maybe they go lecture for that time for now, because they repair something. You get one car when they come, they bring the cup. You know, say student, we reach like 300 and we won't go lecture.
For private school? 300.
Even public school no reach, do I go no reach like that?
No, even when
and she dey make math before say make una no vex. Private school na be 300.
No be say all of us.
Follow your class.
Get lecture that morning.
now na you 300.
If the whole school come go come.
Wait, now make I finish.
Yeah, look at where you go. Don't be private school you go.
Make I finish.
Oh yeah, later.
We dey get, you know, say lecture they get time. I don't know wetin dey on our body.
But primary school
na blood.
So and that they can't bring bus because my school get buses. So as that bus can't come that time, people will get early morning lecture one enter. And you know, say if you want enter through door, they just go one after the other. And if they go one after the other, you go late.
True.
As the bus just stop like this, they open door, can't see. People they follow from window. Everywhere they jump is like
so like this kind.
Na private school, na gas go lecture so that they go register attendance. Why they do like this?
I no go private school. You say why they do like this?
He do. As I don't tell you, don't do. So the car just be like saying one of those buses. As door no dey. Come like say.
No be say door no dey. Now you still no get the reason where door dey.
I understand.
Okay, make I give una another hint. If you look at when I go to say door no dey for the side where you dey look. If possible now the door dey the other side. If the door dey the other side, it means say the driver go dey this side. Now answer us. Where the bus dey go? Shey na the right side dey go? Abi na the left side?
Mind the bus.
He say the bus go
They go the two sides.
But talking about people where they go places, we never understand where they go. Now it born this next matter we want to talk about now. If you and your partner, similar way be bobo, if I get partner now, my partner na female. It go be female, it must be female, not female. If we call, if I don't tell me the laugh, Shani try to stop on this thing.
It go be female, it got be female.
I just want clear our way, make them
so we don't misunderstand.
I no go there to
say they look like this, Abi.
They look like what?
No, we just.
Now me do me will make me fine.
No, we just okay. Just continue.
But I did talk before.
Don't show now. Don't show now.
I don't show now. My partner na female. If me and my partner won't go Yankee, now so they ask the question for Twitter, we will go see show now. If they can't give visa to only one person, as the second person, what do you go do? Help us put that tweet for the screen. Maybe people they watch us for us, fit see and make them fit understand well what we talk about. Say for them, okay, help us.
The plug say when you and your partner applies for US visa and yours is granted, but your partner's got declined. What's your next step?
Oh yeah.
Thank God say no talk say your wife or husband. I say partner.
Say partner. Or partner the person.
Thank you. Business and
you don't want to count twice.
I don't can.
Nah, okay.
Please, what do you want to do? You don't want to go.
Okay, what if your partner now he pay for the whole processing?
I don't understand.
For you to be a partner, business deal carry you cut it to do the cancel business.
Don't
start your cancel.
This
people have partnership with other
you normally me I know say you heartless.
Okay, wait.
Now this man will shock me.
Wait.
I don't understand. Wait. They give me visa.
Yes.
And now I should negotiate. Negotiate to do what? To stay.
You and your partner won't go somewhere when apply for visa. They give you, they don't give your partner. You not supposed to fit or say, oh yeah, I go today to us apart. I stay here with you. You not supposed to fit.
No, we do blood covenant.
Wait.
We
don't say your wife or husband or ask your partner.
If your partner, your partner be your wife. Your partner fit be your husband.
If it is partner, they will say partner. If it is wife, they will say you and your wife.
Business partner.
I don't understand.
Wife partner, husband partner. Say I go, no me say we no go partner again. Nah. Partnership continues, but let me go.
Okay, wait. They don't say waiting you go do, Abi. If na my wife, hold the home front. Let me go there. By the time I reach there, I will get everything set. Then give one about the.
Oh yeah, wait. Ask
must you go the same time with me?
Ima turn.
You just try put me for tight corner, but God will create me. Make sure say all the plan for my life just in place.
Wetin you
ask
go
me.
Do?
What I go do be say when I go put tweets, will be reaction to that question for them. Make she fit carry the answer where you want put me for tight corner. Forget it. Help us with the tweets and their reaction. We'll see what.
Make I say that person answer the sign to answer. Which other sign are you looking for? This be a bad
this one don't get chill at all.
Which other sign you find? It means that the partner is not supposed to go with you.
Oh yeah, na cause another one. The reaction for this one even plenty way.
So say my partner, do you mean clarity? Wife or girlfriend? If it's a girlfriend, we shall share the grace together in fellowship. Nah, I've changed the number. Anthony on that Fedora say, wish you well and be on my way to the airport. We will meet at the foot of the Lord.
This one are people like shiny.
No, partner Koreano. You don't say your husband or your wife.
Oh yeah, that cause another one.
Afolari say, I'll travel and send that London use phone and laptop. Go be the business, Eba. Go be the business, Eba. Hey.
This one you wicked.
Sweet Tooth, he say, my next step is to call her from California. Now don't put it here, man. Don't do that about. I say, baby, I landed safely. I'm in Nigeria. Now, okay. This is somebody. This one say, divorce your partner. You are not meant to be together. See, these people are following in the spirit that we are talking together. But I say, if now wife, no problem.
Another tweet, okay.
See, I say, I'll travel and be sending him dope JPEG. Now, for candy mad you everywhere.
You see? This kind you don't feel like.
I'm gonna send the picture saying here.
You don't feel like.
You go snap a picture that way you follow LeBron James. Snap,
say you understand. I say the ministry they move.
You say this one say wait and move together. They can't put smiley face. They say joking.
This is how yellow wow. Is that finish?
I'm not about to interfere in what God is doing in our life.
So that God plan this one now.
No be like that with it. Anything will happen.
Now God say no grant
to show you say my God is really a good God.
Okay, now you don't answer us, Abi. You really say you go pot.
All those things where they show for them, I answer to you.
See.
You can pick your own and leave the rest.
No, the good thing is all the way show all of them agree with us. So he's just following.
You failed.
Anyhow.
He's following.
The ministry is moving. If I fail for this one, I feel pass for the next one. Many people say we don't to stop because time doesn't go. Make we know to go break like that. Abi, you want go break him up because like say we want go do water. Oh yeah, now make we go break. May I just help us, carry and go break. I don't even know what I want put this time, but carry and go break. More drink water small. If we come back, we'll continue with sweet gist where we still get us for now on top of this blog TV where they call Twitter Naija. No go anywhere, no touch that there. If you touch and I touch you. they need. Not everybody need money. Some people now who they go follow.
My own say make nobody get her money because that is charge card now.
Nobody gets her now. They already showed the answer. Nobody gets her.
Now see the kind of people I get for here. This one. No get money.
For your man, you need to give anybody both rates.
Now in they talk. Me I been told say I go give them free cinema ticket to. Now in matter say.
Which day? You don't watch movie last?
I watched movie yesterday night.
For your phone?
You don't know.
For your phone?
It's not the
no,
same
make I ask you. You don't know say I watched it yesterday night.
I don't know.
No. Oh yeah, now they lie. But based on people
I don't understand. Now they start they open a mouth small.
Say
don't know whether you watch
person they lie. Say they
watch night. Una go confess what you do for night.
What thing they talk about?
I know say you watch movie.
No, me I dey ask wetin him dey talk about.
12 una go tell us wetin una do yesterday night.
I know that every night we dey watch film na shey you know review movie.
12 una dey watch film.
Wait, movie dey my phone.
I know that.
Even
when we dey prepare for this show, we watch movie.
No. Where was you put to?
You don't know say life itself na movie. When you lie down on your bed, you dey look roof. You never watch movie.
12 una dey look roof together.
No, based on some of una know say I dey like the China stargaze dey call am.
Why you say no? You dey look moon for your house. I dey for my own place dey look moon.
Because you know say I dey do all these kind of things normally. Even in man no, you just dey try do apropos dey enter me. But no wahala. The ministry is still moving forward based on saying that every day be church for Nigeria, no be only Sunday. Now the ministry don't come move now we enter another matter. Person talk say Nigerian women know they sabi flirt. He can't go for Twitter. He can't say flirt like a Niger woman. Help us put that thing for screen. People say me they tell you say
I know that.
Me they tell you say
no.
Na person put her for there.
Which one be? How? I mean, which flirt do they talk?
And they talk about FLIRT, say for there.
Flirt. How you take be say Nigerian men no sabi flirt? I mean, how they want me to take flirt again?
You sabi flirt. I don't ask you now. You sabi flirt.
I want to know the flirt. Say how they want me to take flirt.
You know when boy like girl or when young man like one lady like that, because they try make passes at and say you're looking so nice today. You know how to take the door. You're looking so sweet.
Say something will not be wrong in you when they will not tell a man to flirt like a woman.
You know, say I dey wrong.
No, you know to say man flirt like woman. He say make women flirt like a woman. Make women come outside show us how they take the flirt. It is a woman
that flirt. Say all the flirts wey women flirt give you, then you can't repeat them. I tell you, say if you begin to repeat them as woman do and give you,
make her bust your bubble.
Wrong in you.
Make her bust your bubble. People repeat them. Make I show us some reactions on top this tweet. Make it matter say and true say people try and I tell you say women no sabi flirt. Everything they do now just big head. Now just they see all the time left and right big head. Anything big head.
I want to.
Oh yeah, now
they want me to take flirt.
Show us the reaction. I don't know anything no.
If I were there with you, what are you going to do?
This one not even they flirt. They ask another thing. They talk another thing. What are you going to do? This one don't be flirt. It just told you to midnight play.
No,
Sheja is the level the best.
You say women don't flirt. This one say they don't flirt. They just gum body. Wait for the man to decipher.
Don't mind them. Me I be redo now.
I don't understand.
Hey.
Oh yeah, that's what I was.
Because I see the Oshupa in your eyes.
I see the Oshupa in your eyes. Imagine, did you attend Osu because I see the Oshupa in your eyes? Like, what is this? Are you Terry G? Why are you rhyming it?
It's flirty.
Listen.
Allow us to flirt. Is it your flirt?
I don't sabi anything.
This one, I won't woman talk about. Say, this one say, you will not even come and toast somebody. Don't you see how hot I am? You say you are fine, no?
Just imagine.
Now. Eh?
No, wait, never put another one. Shiny, why not they do like this?
This one shows everybody knows how to play.
No, for me, I show Tiny face so because I want to answer this question now. Tiny, what if all this thing when they do so?
You not come and even toast somebody. Am I not fine like this?
Ataya, wait, am I not wait to call pass if I like this?
Question now.
Say, am I not?
Tell the guys, am I not fine like this?
Oh yeah, wait, how you take the flirt? How you take the flirt?
Wait, I don't understand. When man they flirt with you, you don't
learn anything.
You know the easy self.
I bet if you want to just carry yourself, just sexy, go bar, just they there, they want your head, they look the guy.
We don't suffer.
Hey,
we don't suffer.
What do?
They do the
you go see man go dey for corner with him guys. He go dey calculate. You go do mathematics.
You know many of us say they write pick up lines. You go come they tell me, hey, big head. I either going to toast me. What is that?
Toast.
What is the other one?
Toast. You dey ask what be that na toast.
Now be that way una dey do so.
Well, I beg wait. Why you be say?
You know the one where they bust my bubble pass. You know the one when they do they bust my bubble pass. Now when they go say, big girl, better leave me alone. All this will get fresh. You don't come and break my head.
How you dey know?
They do where?
So tell me say
Because not true now.
babe no go want to say he like you. You know say you cannot even invite somebody to your house sef. Don't invite me so that your wife will not come and break my head.
He just ask whether I get wife like that. Una sabi. Both straight.
Indirect question.
What be that? I say flirt, they do direct question.
The girl won't ask. I just say, don't let your girlfriend. She won't know whether you get.
Which type of flirting technique be that one?
Ask straight so that
you get baby, I no get.
Do you have a girl?
All these things they work. All these things they work. Buy me.
Go do that kind of outside.
Showing a bone straight to not the lie. Buy me motor. Okay, you don't know my value.
You know what correct under.
You know to one person we want mad because bone straight now.
See now her mad. Now what she wants and the bobo buy her for her.
Oh yeah, like say the thing that big exam we give her. How men they can't toast?
Not true. They go just
now let's see go know. How men they can't toast?
Most
see most men say what would they toast? Most men don't sabi toast.
Who shall be
because they will just come. They will gonna tell you the same lie. They will gonna tell you fine. We don't already know say we fine. So why you can't come? You're looking so beautiful. When we already know that we are looking beautiful, what do you want to tell us again?
This is the way she talking. You know what I discover?
You're looking so sexy. What do you again?
You know what I discover?
Why all the tell man say, you're so handsome? Start like that.
Why you dey wait? How many times you don't come for content say you dey look nice? How many times you don't come why they tell you say wow you looking nice?
You never tell me before.
Wait, when you bob this your head wait, when in come work, I see the hair. What happens to open mouth?
You say wait, because say waiting. Wait, you see now because say waiting.
Say, wow. You looking so different.
So you just inflate with her like that.
Is it?
I said, wow, you're looking so different.
Because tell you, how did different handsome resemble?
You never finished. And I said, but I never knew you were this handsome. I know you started saying,
forget all the love to away. You just
wait. The day when you carry your coil hair come, I don't tell you say, wow.
I don't remember.
Don't be my fault now. Say they don't remember because me I don't do well. How many times I don't
come?
But
wait, I don't discover another thing. I don't discover another thing. You say you talk and now say they tell you say I told you were this. I cause you they flirt it I say yes. Now I cause they tell me say I carry my macaroni. So you flirt with 2 of us for the same workplace. No, country people share now they say I saw this woman they do. You dey try to say you flirt with 2 of us for the same workplace.
Now you dey do like that.
So you do two of us be like.
You want to use our head to do.
You want to know which one we click.
You want those jobs in Lagos.
There's something wrong in you.
I beg see, husbands.
You cannot flirt with them. Do normal.
Husbands scarce, boyfriend plenty. So as they gather from here. You get one video where I watch where you say they ask the girl. How do you toast? How do you get a boyfriend? She say one has to be in the front, one has to be at the back. So when you turn and tell this one, will you be my boyfriend? And he says no. Just turn your front again and ask the next person, will you be my boyfriend? So now what I do? I tell you say you fine. Abi, you no agree. I don't tell the next person say you fine. You not agree.
So now so you go to shoot shots left and right. After an annulation,
until I catch
him up and down.
Until I catch the person, then I will rest.
She's massacring.
She's a fisher of men.
It's not bad.
They mention you for Bible.
It's not bad to be fisher of men. I be woman. I fine. I know what I want.
No problem.
So when I see what I want, I will go carry.
Shiny. No, GCK.
Let's go.
The Lord is my muscle.
Let's go. Even I say we still get some more reaction to this same particular matter where we talk about if reactions they make airport put up for the screen. Make some people know they feel like say we no carry their own reaction put for screen. No say Naija TV na the Obunge place so everybody what they watch. Okay.
This is something that likes all your IG, that Instagram picture.
I swear they do this one.
Even the one from 2001, they doesn't follow.
I swear they do this one.
Because you like.
They go quite expect you go enter their day content and say, hey babe, what's up? I saw your likes. Like, you know if you message me by yourself, you like me.
See, okay, this is what I want to know. It happened to my brother. My brother gone. We there for church. He never married. So they won't make him marry. One person can go add that to one single go there for Instagram. We there for church. My uncle just they laugh anyhow. He no talk. Now when I call they say, do you know how many ladies followed me today? Like 34 ladies, and they were all liking my picture. What did they tweet to now? Say get in.
What did they do you when you know if you message where you go they like?
Now me like her.
Una.
They see fine boy no. If you see a fine boy, what do? You
ignore. You focus on your business.
How many times you don't see fine girl you ignore?
Every day.
Liar.
I know that's how it is.
Liar.
No, what's it mean?
You know, as I look, I look the matter, I look say, the day where woman go
man no talk. They no even
because they do amateur. The day where woman go really flirt.
I bet.
See how that woman shot, that lady shot because of Bone Street. More I made some assault on Third Mainland Bridge. Go round.
You the way made the girl. You the way made the girl come flirt. You can't rub your head, touch your belly.
Yeah, I don't understand.
Will you die if you do it? You go die.
We no go die.
Eh.
People know they expect some kind thing.
You self know they expect some kind thing.
On a normal level. When you come me to do it.
Oh yeah, now we say go carry and go normal level. Go do. I love you talk your own. You like am?
Oh yeah, wait.
You like am?
I love you talk your own.
Wait. If you see flirt, you go Sabia.
Just now.
How you dey be?
This one where she do now, where she do.
No, it flex the day original. Nobody say what I'm saying. I can't come. You look so beautiful tonight. You already know we are looking beautiful.
You are well smart. Okay,
make she do am for me. Me, I go turn you down. Forget. Cause I pass all this level.
I don't even try because the see what I won't even do the flex on top. Don't already cacking body like I.
Oh yeah, I go manage you. Try.
Manage me. Shiny tiny. You won't manage me.
Now that tiny way you put for the ends in nice scatter everything for your liver for shiny for series and small.
Make I tell you.
No use corona purpose touch me.
As I take tiny reach, that's how I take shiny. Everything they come full package.
Very soon, so tell us say yesterday night.
Hey, I beg, may I give us Twitter reaction because one of the thoughts is what I don't like. I beg. Give us Twitter reaction. It must stop all this way they do. Help us with I beg.
Make your girlfriend don't come pour me water.
You see what I been talk before so.
They don't have me flex.
They
don't have Alpha. I like this your new shoe. What if your size? 38. Now my size 2 now. That's me now. I beg. You go fight for my leg.
For that.
They say flex. Don't tell us your bidding format. Or they won't even ask if I beat it.
I just want to join flirting that. I don't know.
If they try to say they don't have been flex.
The thing is a woman they mostly flirt to person when they didn't go.
See big heads. Sha don't let your girlfriend break my head. I don't suffer.
Can I another one? Cause big head no dey my bed. You see
big head.
You see
I want your girlfriend to break my head.
Not too sabi.
They don't sabi flex.
Big head everywhere.
They don't flex. She just go to your timeline and be liking your pics. They expect you to come to her DM and be replying like fine, cool, good. Yeah,
if you follow me, good. If I message you, good. Talk fine. Yes, okay. I'll block you straight.
How are you? Fine.
Attire. What did they like my picture for?
I don't understand. If you ask me how are you, you don't say
fine.
How are
you? At least make the what do they talk say? Make the conversation sweet. Make person if you want. Don't be say I go tell you say I've been to today. Yes. How was your day? Fine.
See, the person answer one why you supposed to say person.
Nobody want day bad rich. After you don't like your picture finish, you can ask and say how are you? Fine. We thank God. You go can say nah, maybe Amaka now they send message give.
We thank the Lord.
Fine, we thank God.
God.
Have you eaten? With the small way, by the grace of God, I've eaten. Chelu, wait. You are the fine pastor daughter. Why they like my church? I don't know.
You don't forget it is God, oh.
I don't go to that.
I said your picture, you're not looking nice.
It's God, oh.
I don't go to that. Go animal. I don't go dress or short. They go church.
I don't understand.
Attire.
Oh God.
If I never pastor daughter, I don't know. Say, but you got the enter my own picture. They like her.
Even pastor daughter, no fit tell you it is God, oh.
How many you know now?
I tell you.
Shiny, just they call it spoil market.
Pastor daughter, they tell you it is God. Pastor will just tell you. Pastor daughter will just say, I'm fine, thank you, and you. Now him be the
thing that we know now.
Oh yeah. I hear that we go take draw the cutting with the call. Cutting for backstage. I don't have no go tap what up with that, but I don't go like that safe now. All of now we don't do watchers for Twitter. I know say we don't enjoy. Shiny. I don't. You know say I tell them say I will pursue you before. No make me pursue you for the edge of.
Now like this, I they look you.
In fact, I'll carry. Now me go carry you come up for you.
What see they do?
Any I know say we enjoy the show. And I know say una go join us tomorrow. And I know say una go still enjoy what we go do tomorrow. Say, but as we talk on our blog on TV, be this Twitter Naija. And I dey here with Shiny Tiny, Ima, and myself, and all of us will contribute. And all of now we say shout out una thank you. Now from here now, I go to say bye and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of now in advance. But I still they expect my Christmas chicken.
No, yesterday when I talk to me, they say something and they shout.
No, the thing is please.
Nah, you don't make
I do my own
announcement.
I
they tell us how they expect them.
It's begging.
My own announcement say somebody
corporate
should please Please ask me what I want for Christmas. I don't want bone straight.
Bone straight, nice. She want me to get a bone.
I want bone.
Why you talk bone straight?
If you shop chicken finish, you carry the bone come our house. I think give you our address.
So,
but we don't talk about you. I know cause you understand why we see the show for the screen. Okay, but do like this. You know where to go share now. Be say me no be like say we just walk come up for the studio. We not giving us something to enjoy. But we giving us senior man or Oga Pete. He do cheer for where he shake body. It's the letter and they go. You know the that man gets so yeah, when I give us that video of Peter Edochie, make people feel enjoy. Say Peter is still there, body wella.
Yeah. I go a daily. I'm walking what time they go. Cause I pull up in the mountain just on. I pass my kigada go. I go talk about what car they on. It's even like a singing walk. Past life when I walk out they go. And about the dog I jab. Yeah, Pino on your highway. Pino on your highway. Here is the highway. Here is the highway. Omaka highway. Omaka highway. Shalom na highway. Shalom na highway. Oh, I'm the highway. Oh, I'm the highway. To be on the highway. Yeah. I go a daily. I'm walking what time they go. Cause I pull up in the mountain just on. I pass my kigada go. I go talk about what car they on. It's even like a singing walk. Past life when I walk out they go. And about the dog I jab. Yeah, Pino on your highway. Pino on your highway. Here is the highway. Here is the highway. Omaka highway. Omaka highway. Shalom na highway. Shalom na highway. Oh, I'm the highway. Oh, I'm the highway. To be on the highway.